Hi there. Let's talk about 5 money lessons all people out there need to know, and most importantly, live by these money lessons. And by the way, I'm passionate out here talking about issues money, how money is to be made, how money is to be managed, and even so how money is to be multiplied, because money anchors everything we do. For example, for you to eat, you need money. For you to go to school, you need money. If you are sick, you need money. Whether it's going to be paid by you or even your insurer, still there is money to be exchanged. Guys, the world out here evolves because of money. So you need to have money and not have the sense of money for you to be able to live a better life. That's why I'm out here sharing passionately about personal finance, investing, business ideas, and so forth each and every day. If you love such kind of discussions, kindly consider subscribing to this channel. Subscribe because each and every day I'm going to be bringing you such insightful content around money for you to be able to upskill and even so know how progress is being made to these particular fronts. Having said that, what are the 5 money lessons every person out there needs to learn and know for them to be able to be okay? First lesson, guys, is that we need to live within our means. You need to live within your means. It's as simple as that. And I'm saying so because out here, some people are living life in a way that like it's not tomorrow. I'm not saying you shouldn't be enjoying yourself. Go ahead and enjoy yourself, but also enjoy yourself within the confines of a plan. In essence, a plan which is going to assist you live within your means. At the very base of this planning is you having a budget. If you have a budget is going to be the financial tool which is going to assist you know very well how much you're grossing in, okay? How much of what you're getting in you're going to spend, for example, on groceries. How much of what you're getting in, for example, you're going to spend in even entertainment, you enjoying, and so forth. The key is that ensure you have a budget. A budget is what is going to anchor everything you do, and then over time, you're going to be able to unlock money even to be able to do other things. But if you're not living within your means, and most importantly, if you are broke, actually you need to live below your means. It's as simple as that. If you are broke, live below your means and then see how best over time you can be able to optimize other areas you are squeezing to get additional incomes, okay? And then the second money lesson and tip we all need to abide by all the time is that we all need to save for the rainy days. Guys, every human out there has rainy days, and I'm saying so because life is all about experiences. There is ups and downs, so you need to prepare very well and ensure you are saving for the rainy days. Rainy days could be, for example, the days you retire, okay? Rainy day is gonna be, for example, when you become sick, okay? Rainy day is gonna be, for example, even when you're thinking about any eventualities in life, whether you're losing your job, you name it. All these could be rainy days. It is important for you to save in 2 forms. First of all, save in cash, okay? Ensure you have some emergency funds with regards to cash at hand. And then beyond that, also utilize existing systems for you to be able to save for the rainy days. For example, you contributing or even pushing a good chunk of your income towards pension, knowing very well pension has some tax benefits. That could be a form of you saving for the rainy day. Also, secondly, you, for example, saving for your children's education scheme. Guys, you are saving for a rainy day because you are unlocking a possibility in future whereby you're going to have money for any eventuality out there. It is important to save for the rainy day because we never know how life is unfolding. Yes, we're hoping for the best, but also life has ups and downs. And of course, if you don't plan, guys, downs can really take you deep and deep, okay? And then the third money lesson and tip we all need to live by is that ensure you pay your debts. And I'm saying so more so those kind of debts which are very pressing, which are attracting increasing interest rates. Ensure you pay your debts. And this is very important because if you pay your debts, it's going to assist you be able to unlock money for you to do other things. And by the way, guys, when we talk about paying debts, there is 2 things which you need to distinct. Generally out there, people classify debts and also liabilities in the same way. You know, when we talk about debts and expenses out there, guys, it is important for you to know very well. Expenses are there. These are inevitable, okay? For example, how you're gonna live. All these are expenses. If you have such kind of debt in that particular sphere, ensure you knock them out as soon as possible for you to be able to live a decent life. But even beyond that, we have other debts which actually rake people down. For example, you spending or getting a huge mortgage, you for example getting a huge loan to build a house where you are not living in that particular house. Guys, what is the essence of, for example, you building a house, whether you're living in there or not, and yet you've broken the bank? You have, for example, gone under maybe even 100,000 US dollars. Maybe that's about 10 million Kenya shillings for you to build a beautiful house, which is not generating you income, and yet you're spending money to repay this off. For example, you getting money out there in form of a debt to buy the most fancy of cars out there. Think about it. People out there, for example, are moving in V8s, okay? Fair enough. People out there, for example, are moving in Porsches. Fair enough. People out there, for example, are moving in Range Rovers, you name it. You don't have to bow to pressure for you to be able to live life according to how someone out there wants you to live. Live your own life, because it is pressure out here which most of the times push people out there to insane debts. And these debts can actually stall you for years. You need to ensure you pay off your debts as soon as you can for you to be able to even have peace of mind, and even most importantly, unlock money for other things out there. Okay? And then the fourth money lesson, which we all can learn and even so most importantly live by it for us to be able to be okay, is we need to develop additional skills which are going to be able to bring us money in future. What do I mean? Maybe you went to school trained as a teacher. You have the basic skills of becoming a teacher. You have a career as a teacher, but you need to understand that out there, no employer pays you insane amounts of money for you to have the most comfortable life you need. No one out there is going to ensure you are extremely comfortable, because it's going to mean you're going to run away from your job. That's why they just pay you enough for you to be able to have a roof over your head, for you to be able to have food. That's why you need to get additional skills out there which are going to assist you start side hustles. The kind of side hustles which are going to assist you get out of poverty trap, get out of the race to financial freedom, which is very elusive. Ensure you develop skills, because it is these skills which are going to assist you unlock your financial potential, be able to go towards financial freedom. So learn new skills. You could be a teacher, for example. Why not learn additional skills out there which are going to assist you complement what you're doing with regards to your skills and even your time, so that you can be able to earn additional income out there. Don't be afraid. Learn additional skills, and even so, people out there are going to be able to appreciate you more if you have additional and more skills which are very fundamental. And then the fifth and last money tip I want to discuss with you is that all of us need to invest. What do I mean? Investing is the best route you can use for you to be able to obtain financial freedom, for you to be able to have your money work for you, whether it is little money or even huge amounts of money. It is through investing that you're going to be able to see your money work for you. Hence, it is important for us to invest. I'm talking about you putting money, for example, in real estate. You putting money, for example, in the stock market. You putting, for example, in other markets out there. It is through investing that you're going to be able to see your money work for you. And of course, on this channel, I've made many videos out there on investing. I don't need to expand on these, but we have myriad of investment options out there which any person can jump onto and then be able to make money. What do you think about this? Do you think these are 5 solid money lessons each of us need to learn, and even so each of us need to live by? Is there any other lesson out there which I've forgotten? If there is, drop your thoughts down below in the comment section. Let's continue discussing. Cheers, guys. I look forward to share with you other awesome videos next time. Bye bye, and you all take care.